What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Someone You Loved by Lewis Capaldi. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm really excited to finally announce that I'm officially doing the first round of giveaways that I'm doing for the channel. I'm going to be doing monthly drawings for different guitar related prizes and accessories and merchandise, and then I'm going to do one grand prize drawing for someone who's going to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. So stick around to the end of the video. It's very simple to enter. I'll get into all the details there. Any of you guys can enter to win any of the prizes. We'll get into all that at the end of the video, so stick around for that. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning. Got a capo on the first fret. You're using 4 chords. Your first chord C major, ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. Next, you're going to a G chord. Move your ring and middle finger down 1 string, so that puts your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your E string, middle finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, and then you don't even need to use your pinky up there. You can just use those two for that chord. Then you're going to an A minor, index finger 1st fret B string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string. And then finally you're going to an F. The way that you're going to want to play this one is you're going to want to try and hook that low E on the 1st fret with your thumb. Keep your index finger on the 1st fret on the B string, middle finger 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string. Now I will have the tab for this in the description below that I made myself if you need to reference that to make it a little bit easier so you can see exactly what you're picking. I will show you, this picking is about as close as you're going to get to the actual piano part in the song. On your C chord, it's going to be, you're starting by picking your A and your E string together. I'm using my thumb on my A and my ring finger on my E string. And then use your middle finger or your index finger to pick the B string, and you alternate B string and E string after that. So A and E, B, E, B, E, B, E, B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like I said, you're just alternating between the E and B after the first plug. A and E, B, E, B, E, B, E, B, E. For your G chord, you're picking your low E and your B string at the same time, and then you're picking your G string and your B string alternate the same way as you were doing in your first chord. So E and B, G, B, G, B, G, B, G, B for another 8 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A minor is going to be your A and your B string, and then alternate G string and B string same way. So A and B, G, B, G, B, G, B, G, B for another count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then go to that F formation. You're picking your low E and B string, or no, excuse me, you're picking your low E and your G string, and then you're picking your D string and G string alternating the same way as you were doing for all the other chords. So A and G, D, G, D, G, D, G, D, G for a count of 8. So all together from the top, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time slowly so you guys can get this down. Like I said, if it helps you to look at the tabs, I made them. They're in the description below. Go check them out. Starting from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that is the picking pattern that you can use. Like I said, it's going to be about as close to the actual piano part as far as notes wise. Now if you wanted to just strum through these chords throughout the entire song, you can easily do that as well. Your strum pattern would be as simple: down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, 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 up, down, up. And that's just throughout the entire song. Now there is a little bridge part that happens towards the end of the song. It only gets played through twice. The chords for that are D minor, which is your index finger, 1st fret on your E string, your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your G string, and your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your B string. Then it goes to A minor, it goes to G, and then right before it starts over, it does a quick C, then back to D minor. And the only thing you're doing differently is picking a D minor. When you're picking the A minor and the G and the C, those are all picked the same way as they are in the rest of the song. The D minor is picked with your D and E string, and then you're picking your B and E alternating just like you are the other chords. So B, D and E, and then B, E, B, E, B, E, B, E. So D and E, B, E, B, E, B, E, B, E, A minor, G, and then you're gonna stay on the G for an extra measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on your C, and then that starts over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, that bridge happens, it gets played through twice, and then it jumps right back into the rest of the picking for the song. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now I'm going to jump straight into the giveaway stuff. Again, to reiterate, I'm starting the official giveaways that I'm doing for this channel, with the grand prize being a brand new acoustic guitar, with secondary prizes being a guitar accessories kit. And then also I'm going to be giving away some merchandise as well. I'm starting to roll some of that out here soon. Shirts, hats, all that kind of stuff. Those will be parts of the giveaway as well. So to enter for the giveaway, there's only 4 simple steps that you need to do. Subscribe, turn on notifications, make sure you click thumbs up, like this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section below with a song that you would like me to teach you. So the way the giveaway is going to work is that each month I'm going to pick 2 winners, one for the guitar accessories bundle and one for the merch bundle, and then I'll pick the grand prize winner for the brand new acoustic guitar when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. So the faster that we get to 50,000 subscribers, the faster we will get to the grand prize drawing. So make sure you enter. You're not going to want to miss out on any of these prizes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is here on the screen now. I'm always posting stories, behind the scenes stuff, pictures. It's a good way to get in contact with me. Don't forget about the free ebook that's in the description. It will always be free on the channel. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. There's a link down there for you guys. Make sure you go grab that. Enter the contest. I'm super excited to be doing this for you guys. We'll see you in the next video.